Yes, people. Today I just want to talk to you about starting your business or how to start your business and what you need to start your business. I'm not a big fan of big expensive equipment. I believe that it's more about being efficient and doing a good job. Especially at the start, you just want to get equipment that's going to allow you to get the job done. A lot of people will tell you that you need this and that equipment, and without that you can't make money. But you know what? With just the basic equipment, you can make money. When I first started, all my equipment was secondhand. I didn't buy nothing brand new, and it still allowed me to make money and get my business off the ground. I feel that there's about 4 pieces of equipment that you really need to get started. 1, a mower. 2, a strimmer, weed whacker, whatever. 3, if you want to go into this field, hedge cutting, get a hedge cutter. And 4, a blower. I'll show you some of the equipment that I use. Just basic, nothing fancy. So obviously if I'm doing small gardens, I use this one. It's nothing fancy, like I said, but it gets the job done. For the bigger gardens, this one. I can't really tell you models because I'm not really interested in that. It just gets the job done. It's my strimmer. Yeah. After you've mowed the grass, then you're going to tidy it up with the strimmer, get all the ends, and then you might also do the edging, get it nice and neat. I use 2 different edge cutters. I've got a long reach, so if you're dealing with like high edges or high trees, whatever that need pruning, then that's the one for you. I've also used a smaller hedge cutter, and then that's my blower. A lot of my equipment is steel because it's very reliable, and for like commercial use you need something that you can keep on using over and over again. You don't want to buy something that's domestic and it doesn't last, especially when you're doing 5 to 10 gardens a day. You need something that's going to be able to withstand that 7 days a week. Remember what I said, your main priority is getting reliable equipment, something that's going to last, that's for professional use. Second-hand is ideal because at the end of the day, if you're not making no money, there's no point buying no fancy equipment. There's no point trying to keep up with other people that's been doing it for 5 to 10 years. They've got the clientele, they've got the business, they're secure, they can buy these equipments and still make their money back through it. So in the early days, stick to the basics. You want to need a mower, a strimmer, edge cutter, and a blower. That's all you need. And if you've got a vehicle or a trailer, that's all you need. Yeah, get yourself started, start mowing some grass, do whatever it takes. While you're mowing the grass, talk to clients, start building your next business. So your next business could be the landscaping side of it, and you can go in there and say, you know what, I can do your slabbing. You know what, I can do your guttering. You know what, I can clean your windows. And then you start selling yourself. But all you need to do is get 1 foot in the door. My business at the moment is grass cutting, landscaping, and property services. But within the next year now, I'm going to try and break it down into sections where I have the grass cutting section, and then I have the property section, and I have the landscaping section. And that's how we're going to grow the business from now on. So everything I do now, I'm going to try and tailor it that way, so it's easier for me in the future when I want to divide it all up and hire staff and get more vehicles, and that's what we're heading. So yeah, I started small. I started cutting grass, and then I'm growing slowly to where now I can break off into different divisions, which it takes time, but as long as you focus, stay humble, don't overspend, only get the things that you need, build your clientele, everything will work out. And I wish you all the best. Need any help, email me, leave a comment, whatever, I will get back to you. Peace. So So just broke down the equipment that you need to get you started making money in your lawn care business. But one of the most important things that I keep on saying is your mindset. That's one of your most important equipment. Because with the right mindset, you can achieve anything. It doesn't have to be no big expensive equipment that can do this and do that. As long as it does the job and you have the right mindset, you can start to make a lot of money. And you can start with lawn care, and you can go into bigger things like landscaping or different departments like window cleaning, guttering, etc, etc. Yeah, that's just how I started, and it's got me through certain doors where I can introduce more services. And obviously with more services, that equals more revenue for me anyway. So all the best. I'll catch up with you later.